Here's how I made this 3D printed wall sculpture. This design has 170 pieces. 3D printing all of them would take 200 hours on one printer. Fortunately, I have a bunch of printers to speed things up. Next, each piece is hand trimmed, sanded, then fixed to boards. There are 5 shades of green, each painted in separate batches. The pieces are laid out according to number, then screwed together in a honeycomb grid. This is where everything finally comes together. Before finishing, the sculpture is cleaned, dusted, and signed on the back. And here is the final result.